What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Good? Yeah, that's great. Nice to hear. Nice to know that you're doing good. Yeah, today's video is me bringing my car to the car wash. Touch this car wash because I don't want. I heard touch car washes that touch your car, they scratch your paint and all that. And plus, my antenna won't go down, so that will bend if I go there. Um, I haven't washed my car in like a year. Like basically since I got the car, because I was scared there's some rust spots that I think water might go into and it might make more rust come in. But in order to prevent like more rust forming on the car, you should wash it because all the salt and stuff. I'm just gonna show you before and after clips and like me in the car wash. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. All right. Nathan. I'm gonna record. Hey, don't touch that.
Huh?
I'm gonna record the video.
Video.
I'm gonna record the video for YouTube.
For why me?
No, I'm gonna record. You know what this video is about?
What?
It's about me cleaning my. We're gonna take my car to the car wash. Okay. And we're gonna see the before and after. See when it's dirty and when it's clean. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first we're gonna have to look at the car and see how dirty it is. Okay.
It's nasty, dirty.
Okay. So I'm gonna tell you where to shine the light. Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna be my light guy. Okay. So look, it's shining right here. So that's one dirty spot.
Well, I know where one dirty spot is.
Yeah, I guess, what is that?
Poo.
What kind of, it's bird poo.
Bird poo.
Yeah, birds love pooing on my car. See, look, can you pass me the flashlight for a sec? See, look all that dirt?
No.
And look at the bottom here.
Ew, bird poo.
I know.
Well, you said under it.
Okay, let's go to the back. Yeah, look how much dirt there is in there.
Wait.
Okay. Okay. Now let's see the window. So much. Look.
Ew.
Let's see how dirty it is. We're gonna see the differences, okay? Oh, look. Look how dirty. You can't see. So pass me the thing again. It's dirty here. And look, it's dirty on the top. We're dirty here. Hey, don't touch. There's bird poo right there. And look at the black parts. The lights are dirty. And the bumpers. Hey, don't run there. It's all dirt. Oh, look. There's more spots here. See, birds love
Pooing on your car.
popping on my car. It's
Popping on your car.
Nah, they like pooing on my car. So, guess what we're gonna do?
What?
Huh?
What?
We're gonna go where?
To the car wash.
Yeah. So you ready to go?
Bye, we're going to the car wash. We can watch your videos after this. We have our message.
Okay. Yeah. So we got the code, or the car wash is right beside us, and we got the code we have to put in. We have to put in a code to get in the car wash. So let's just go inside now.
Wind up that window.
Not yet. We have to we have to go through the drive-through.
Huh?
We have to go through the drive-through.
What? I want to know a wash in here. I went in here before. The last time I went in here was this.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash. By touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
I can't even reach. Oh, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna have to reach. 20. 5, 1, 6. Okay.
Thank you. Please
Why
pull
not?
forward slowly into the wash.
Okay, you have to get ready, okay?
I went in a car wash before.
Yeah? Okay.
Hey, don't wash. Oh! Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Ah!
Ah!
Is that closing yet?
I don't even know. Oh!
What?
I get to stop now. Car and park.
Is that now soap?
That's water.
More water?
Yeah, now it's covering all the windows.
Huh? I can't.
Ah!
Ah! I can't even move.
Yeah, it's on the outside.
I can't, and then I can't. And then I can't see.
Me neither.
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Now we must enter.
No, I think it's gonna rinse it off now.
No, it won't. Come on.
Hey, what are you doing?
Ready? Oh! What's that? It's making more soap.
Like all the bird food's gone.
Huh? Well, let's take it to
Ah!
What? Some God on you?
No. I'm scared.
You're a scaredy cat.
You don't say that.
Huh?
These noises are scaring me, Nathan.
Huh?
The noises.
Oh, I'm not scared of them.
Okay, now we have to go through a little bit slow. Oh, now it's the air dryer.
An air dryer?
Yeah.
Oh man. It's oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Ah!
Air dryer. I want the air dryer. That's me.
Okay, we're all done. Okay, now we're gonna go back home and just check to see what the car looks like, okay? Okay, Nate?
Back to the
Now we're gonna check over the car to see how clean it is. Okay, so look.
Hi. Victory.
I got most. I think I got most of it. Let's check the back. Okay, got most of those. Oh, it cleaned up all the tail lights. Cleaned.
Oh, I can't wait. Huh? Why?
Sorry.
Why can't we?
Because we're not supposed to do that.
Oh.
Nathan, stop.
Kyle, you made me fall.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yes. Come on.
Hey, come back.
Come
Okay, stay with me. Ethan.
Don't shine the light at me.
Okay. It didn't do a lot. It was good enough, but uh-oh.
What?
Look at oh my gosh.
What? It never got the light?
No, it's just because it's okay. Nathan.
Kyle, I'm the one who's supposed to hold
Yeah,
the
but look,
ball.
you're running from bugs.
Huh?
But the video's done and over. In the editing process of it. I'm sorry I couldn't get clean shots in broad daylight because
Kyle, can you break one thing off my racetrack
Why?
put back together? I'll put it back together, but can you?
Okay, hold on. Let me finish my video. I'm gonna end it off. Okay.
You want to end it off? You better do it right now. If you don't do it right now, I won't help you. Goodbye.
Okay, go.
Goodbye. Bye.
Yeah, you heard. That's the end of the video. Oh yeah, I just want to let you guys know. I wasn't scared in the car wash. I want to make the the video more entertaining for you guys and just make you guys laugh. You know, I wasn't scared, but yeah, I just want to let you guys know.
You heard?
What do I say? What do I say at the end of my videos?
No.
I
And
say
that's the end of Kyle's video.
I say peace and
Bye.
no peace and hair grease.